going to start out a little bit different. If you've watched any of our videos before, we're going to start this out at the rear of the car just because look what we have here. You gotta love a 63 split window Corvette. And it gets better and better and better with this one the more I go around it. Can't wait to show you the rest of this car. First of all, this is saddle tan, and this is the original color this would have came in, as well as the interior. And it keeps getting more and more original. And a pretty special car here as I walk around to the driver's side fender. Come in and take a look at this. 327, 360 horsepower V8. Real deal, numbers matching engine in this car, as well as 4-speed manual transmission. And again, that is also numbers matching, and you'll be able to see the still pictures of the stamping. This is a Bloomington Gold car, so this car is actually restored with a 95% to 100% actually of the appearance a typical factory production Corvette of this era would be. Now, still pictures. I want you to go check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. Opportunity to own these cars does not come around a lot, let alone very often. Take a look at the bumper. Paint in the front of this car. Check out the undersides. Unbelievable. But that's what you got to be Bloomington Gold. You'll see what I'm saying. As close as this car probably could be restored to how it came off the factory line at Chevrolet back in 1963. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, check out that engine bay. But yeah, definitely check out the underside of the car, just as nice as it would have been from top to bottom. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This car's been judged a few different times. Back in June of 14, actually received Bloomington Silver. Before that, second flight NCRS event in 13. And then in June of 15 is when it received its Bloomington Gold certification. Restoration has been ongoing basically from 2001 to 2021. Copy of the window sticker, you want to take a peek at that. Saddle trim, like I said, saddle tan exterior, 4-speed transmission. There's your 360 horsepower Corvette V8. Positrack axle, signal sync radio. These are the original rear glass with some stickers that were added. Kind of era correct, actually pretty cool to see those on there. Would have been put back in the windows back in the day. Again, still pictures. Take a look at this car inside and out, top to bottom. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there.
You like this video? Hit the red subscribe button down below to really help our channel out, and you'll stay up to date on all future videos.
There is also a set of turbine knockoff wheels that will be in the pictures. The Bloomington Gold certification will be in the pictures. A lot of the documentation as far as the paperwork on this car will be in the pictures. So you'll be able to look at that all online. And again, feel free, call in, talk to the salespeople on this one. 507-386-1726. As you can see, the paint around this car is just stunning. And it's amazing what the underside looks like also. Alright, and again, remember, original engine, original tranny, all numbers. Saddle interior, door panels. And you'll be able to take your time, look through the pictures. There's over 100 pictures of this car online. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Incredible sounding car. One other thing I noticed where I started that I want to show you. Yes, clock even works. Wipers work, headlights works. Of course, they're going to go through all those things when they're certifying these cars. See how easily it started. Just touch the key. And it's probably easier to check out this interior. It gets a little tight with me sitting in here with the camera and everything. But you get an idea. Nice the dash and everything looks. We'll go ahead and run these headlights up too, so you can see that. Alright. Try to push it the right way. See them there? There they are. See the lights. And we're going to take a peek underneath this hood because you got to see that fuel injected 327. Look around to the back. Boy, sounds great. Headlights function as they should. Alright, let me go ahead and pop that hood. See how nicely the doors close, everything fits. Just a quality restoration on this one.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There it is. Mechanical fuel injection on the 63 Chevrolet Corvette. Look at how nice, tidy, and neat this is. Once again, up to Bloomington Gold standards. Certification to prove it. It runs smooth, sounds good. Beautiful collector split window vet right here. All right. Real deal, 1963 fuel injected. Split window Chevrolet Corvette. Numbers matching all the way around, Bloomington Gold certification. Again, check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.